So, kaya nga pala ako nandito sa magandang lugar na to is because I helped the client process their grief doon sa recent loss niya sa grandmother niya. And it helped to have this good ambience for her to process all that agony, all that pain of losing a person that you love. Well, grief is the price we pay for love. And we cannot avoid that grief because at some point, all of us will reach our end. And ang pinakamagandang realization namin is that end brings a different path, a different life, a different story that the next generations could actually create with the inspiration, lessons, and life ng mga nauna sa atin. Well, this is your lifestyle coach, Mark. You could book a free clarity session so that we could check whether we could work together towards our goal. Have a good day.